Hi everyone, welcome. This is the first appointment of the Master is here. Today we are in New York at Interfax, where Domina meets the industry. I am Alessandro Paolini, Sales and Marketing Director at EMA Thomas, and in this appointment we will focus on advanced manufacturing technologies for tablet production in US. Oral solid dosage OSD forms, especially tablets, remain the most widely used pharmaceutical format due to their ease of production, stability, precise dosing, and patient convenience. The North American market, driven by aging population, chronic diseases, and strong demand for generics, continue to grow rapidly. In this highly regulated environment, manufacturers must ensure quality, efficiency, and compliance with FDA standards. This is where advanced manufacturing technologies play a key role. Domina is a tablet press designed to improve production efficiency while maintaining strict quality standards. Built as a modular and flexible platform, it allows easy configuration changes to handle a wide range of products. Developed according to Pharma 4.0 principle, Domina ensures process consistency, reduces waste, and supports integration with continuous manufacturing system. A key innovation is the dynamic filling system, which enables precise control across the entire dosing range, even with difficult powders, improving the final tablet quality. Thank you for joining us. The Master continue.